Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. Check out the new aggressive look for the Jeep Liberty. We went with a JK bumper and we installed it on the KJ. So on this video, we'll break down the steps we took to mount this Wrangler bumper on the Liberty. First thing we did was we brought the Jeep in the garage and we went and mocked up the bumper. By mocking up the bumper, we got a better feel if this bumper was right for the Liberty. First thing we did is we took off the factory grille. Now that we got the grille removed, we can start working on removing the factory bumper support. But make sure you remove the wires and the brake line on the back of the bumper support before you start cutting and grinding. Now we can bring the bumper back into play and put the bumper up on the front of the Liberty to kind of see how it'll fit without the factory bumper support. Now that we got the JK bumper mocked up, we can tell that we need to cut a couple more inches off the top of that bumper so we can get the bumper to sit back a little bit further on the Liberty. I didn't like the look of the JK bumper with the corners hanging off the side of the bumper. So we removed each corner on that aftermarket JK bumper. We got the JK bumper on the KJ. Honestly, it's looking pretty good. We could probably just leave it at this. I did cut the sides off of the bumper here, and to just give the approach angle a little bit better look. You could have, if you're gonna do this mod yourself, you could leave this piece on. It's all preference how you want that JK bumper to look on your KJ. Another look on this side. The bumper just needs to be leveled out a little bit, and ideally, we could just put our L brackets, where'd they go? We could just put our 90s or L brackets, whatever you want to call them. I'm just gonna weld those on the frame. We can use these existing nuts and bolts to mount our L bracket on, like such. So like I said, we could just mount the bumper like this, and I believe it would look pretty decent. But I'm gonna take it to the next level. I'm gonna do quite a bit more cutting on the bumper, and I'm gonna cut more of this frame back so the bumper can sit back a little bit further to make the side approach look that much better. So let's get after it. Before we cut the frame back, we cut 2 more inches off the winch plate of the JK bumper. Another issue is we have to take this support bracket out. I cut the support for the grill. The grill's radiator support's pretty much kind of busted all up under here anyways. But we do have to address the hood latch here and this bracket. It's pretty flimsy. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do right away. I wish this radiator support was a little bit stronger. Look how flimsy that is. Man, so weak. Anyways, I'm thinking about maybe just ditching all this and then throwing some hood pins in. Remove the support because we need to remove that because that's where the winch is gonna sit, on the winch plate in the bumper. That bumper here. Now that we got the 2 inches cut off the frame, we can move that bumper back a little bit further to get a better feel how this bumper is gonna fit on the Liberty. Oh, that bumper is looking good. You know, I was a little leery about the Stinger look on the Liberty, but we got that bumper tucked in there real nice. I think I'm gonna like this. We had to cut about 2 inches off that winch plate, and then we cut another inch back, a couple inches back here in this notch to get the bumper to sit back real nice. Now we got to make those brackets on the side of the frame there. You got this old bracket here from the Cubby project. We used to hang the weights right here on this guy. I measure 5 inches, and then we'll make the bracket for the outside mount. Now we got to fix our winch plate mount that we took 2 inches off and hacked up to like a booger. We bent those tabs up. This is left over from cutting the edges off. So this is my vision. Kind of like that. You know what? It's gonna be good enough. Well, I made a little boo-boo. I cut too much out of this bumper when I was bobbing it off. But we'll just fill it in with a drill bit. Yeah, that should fill the hole. Now that we got the new brackets welded in completely on the frame, we can install the aftermarket bumper back on the KJ. Once we got the bumper installed, now it's time to reinstall the grille. But there was some trimming and massaging on the grille to make sure it fits back in its factory location. Well, that completes the install of the JK bumper on the KJ. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time. Wait a minute. We forgot to show you the bonus coverage on installing the JK hood latches on the Liberty. We deleted the factory hood latch on the Liberty, so we needed to tie the hood down somehow. So to keep the theme going, we installed these JK hood latches. If you liked this video, make sure you like and subscribe, because we got more mods that we want to do to this little Liberty.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.